Hello and welcome to another English grammar lesson. Today's topic is some and any. These two words are quantifiers. They are used to show quantity, unspecified quantity in English. They are referred to as determiners or sometimes known as indefinite pronouns. Let us examine the difference between them and how to use them correctly in sentences. Then, we will correct these sentences that have grammatical errors. Lastly, we will use some and any to fill up these gaps. Some is used in positive sentences. Positive. When the sentence is positive, make use of some. Also use some when making an offer. An offer or a request. Use any in negative sentences. Negative. Hope you know what negative sentences are. Don't worry, as we consider this, I will show you. Also use any in regular questions. Regular questions. That is, any question that is not an offer, is not a request, is just a neutral question. Use any. We also use any in conditional sentences. When a sentence expresses condition, use any. Okay, with this information, let us identify the grammatical mistakes in these sentences. I don't have some money with me. This sentence is grammatically wrong. Do you know why? This makes the sentence negative. Anytime you have not in a sentence, that sentence is negative. Okay, so when expressing a negative sentence, do not use some. Instead, use any. I don't have any money with me. If you have some questions, ask me later. This sentence is not correct. Now, what makes it not to be correct? This is a conditional sentence. Whenever you have if in a sentence, that expresses condition. So this sentence is conditional. In a conditional sentence, make use of any, not some. So the correct sentence is, if you have any questions, ask me later. Correct. She didn't tell me something about the meeting. This is absolutely wrong. Do you know why? This is a negative sentence. This represents not, N-O-T. So whenever you see this, it is a negative sentence. And in a negative sentence, we do not use words with some. Remember, any word that has some or any in it also follows the rule of positive and negative. So to correct this sentence, we have to change this to anything. She didn't tell me anything about the meeting. Now, let us use some and any to fill up these gaps. 1. I don't have blank time to talk right now. What should be the correct answer to this? See, look at this. Negative. So the correct word should be any. 2. Do you have blank idea why he left early? What should we use for this? It is not an offer, it is not a request, it's just a regular or neutral question asked. So, when you have a regular or neutral question, use any. Okay, so the correct word is any. Do you have any idea why he left early? 3. She bought blank new shoes yesterday. This is obviously a positive sentence. Buying something is positive. This is a positive sentence. So for positive sentences, use some. She bought some new shoes yesterday. 4. Would you like blank coffee? This is obviously an offer. For offers, use some. Would you like some coffee? 5. If you see blank mistakes, please correct them. What kind of sentence is this? Look at this. If places condition in a sentence. So this sentence is conditional. For a conditional sentence, what do we use? Any. 6. There isn't blank milk left in the fridge. Look at this. We have a negativity here. So when you have a negative sentence, make use of any. 7. He hardly has blank friends in this city. Now this one may be confusing to you, but look at this. Hardly is a word that shows negativity. You can't use this word hardly in a positive sentence. So this word makes the sentence negative. For a negative sentence, use any. He hardly has any friends in this city. 8. Can you lend me blank money till tomorrow? This is a request. A request. For a request, you make use of some. 9. We didn't receive blank information about the exam. Now look at this. Not. That's negative. For a negative sentence, make use of any. Do you know that you can make this sentence positive by removing this? Once you remove the whole of this, it becomes we received some information about the exam. That becomes positive. Okay? If you remove only not and leave did, it will be we did receive some information about the exam. That makes it positive. But whenever you have not, the sentence is negative and you must use any. Lastly, did blank student complain about the test? Is it a request? Is it an offer? Or is it a regular question? Let me hear from you in the comment section.